Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken strips. Ingredients for chicken strips are 1 chicken breast fillet cut into strips, 1 egg, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon mustard paste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and some breadcrumbs. To prepare the marination, we need to season the chicken. First, we are going to add some salt, black pepper, lemon juice, mustard paste, and now we are going to add some egg. I'm using my hands, but you can use a spoon for mixing. I prefer using my hands for mixing. Now we need to keep the marination for at least 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna coat the chicken strips with breadcrumbs. Now it's ready for frying. Don't put too many strips in one go. We want the strips to be golden brown like this. Do not overcook it. Chicken strips are best served with fries and coleslaw. Some fries. This is one of my favorite recipes. So please do try it and give us your feedback, and please subscribe to our channel if you like our recipes.